How to add alerts on TradingView account. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and open watch list on the bottom left hand corner. Then select the company who you want to see. So after you have selected the company, to set an alert for the price, you can see the alarm account or alarm symbol. Just go ahead and tap on this symbol over here. And what you need to do is manually go to the screen and set up in which quantity or in which time you want the alert or the price rise range as well. So after you do this, just go ahead and click on this tick mark, wait for a while, and as you can see that the alert has been set. If you go back, you can see the alert symbol on top of the symbol or the coin. So guys, this is how easy it is to set up an alert on the TradingView account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.